Hey, if you want to create your work profile on your Pixel 9a, let me quickly show you how you can do this step by step. So all you have to do is just to start by opening settings and scroll into system settings. Next, you will have to go for users, turn it on with that switcher and click to add user. Now click next. Right here you can set a name for that user by using your keyboard, but also change profile picture from the default pictures, but also you can go into your gallery, or you can even open the camera to take the photo right now. Now when you select everything, click done again, and just wait for this creation process. Additionally, you can enable phone calls and short messages by using that switcher, and you can switch to the new user by clicking here, and you can set it up right now. So you'll go through the first setup one more time, like previously when you purchased this device for the first time, and you will have to just go forward, connect to Wi-Fi or set up offline, set screen lock and stuff like that.